O mere maraya, Jehovah mere maraya. O mere maraya, ihosimu mekangeme. O mere maraya, Jehovah mere maraya. O mere maraya, ihosimu mekangeme. O mere maraya, Jehovah mere maraya. O mere maraya, ihosimu mekangeme. O mere maraya, Jehovah mere maraya. O mere maraya, ihosimu mekangeme. O mere maraya, Jehovah mere maraya. O mere maraya, ihosimu mekangeme. Hi my beautiful people, you're highly welcome to my channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you're highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless each and every one of us wherever you're watching me from. Okay, so today's video we're actually going to be talking about a lot of things. We are going to be talking about family protection work. Ta-da! Family protection work. So I want to teach us some things about family protection work. You know, in my previous video, I used to tell us that we should not always think about ourselves. You as a mother or you as a father, they are pursuing you. You are receiving attack here and back and front, back and front. Then you look for solution for yourself and you are okay. You get yourself treated. You protect yourself alone, leaving the rest of your family, forgetting the fact that there's something called family protection work. You know now, when those people that is after your life, seeking to take your life, the life they did not create, if they look for you and they did not see you, because you have done a self-protection work for yourself alone. Now, if they look for you and they did not see you, do you know that they will come for your family? Be it your husband, be it your wife, be it your children. And I am sure no parents would want to lose their children, neither of their children. No parents would want to, sit and bury their own children alive. What we, the parents, are praying for is, let our children be the one to bury us, not us burying our children. That is why, if you are doing a spiritual work for yourself, maybe you are sick and you are treating yourself, don't only do a self-protection work for yourself alone. Also do a family protection for your children, for your husband or for your wife. It is very, very important. Okay? And you, that you are sick, or maybe your child or your husband is sick. I'm just giving you instances for you to know where I am going to. Maybe your husband is sick. Now, then you know that this is the particular person that is after this, your husband's life or your daughter's life. And each time that person come around, you will welcome that person with your full chest in your home. You will welcome that person with everything that gives life in you. You bring that person closer to you. In fact, day and night, that person is with you. And you know that this person is the one killing you spiritually. Let me use an adage that says, anybody that is dying with the devil, use the longer spoon. Do you get? In Igbo language, na-eji ogologo ngaji spoon. Okay? So, it's not left for you to use your tongue and count your teeth. We expect so much from spiritual work. Oh, because I have done this spiritual work on myself, on my daughter, on my son, so therefore I am free to welcome that person that is killing me. Welcome that person to my home, to my office, to my business place. Why the person that is coming to spy, to see if that thing that he or she has done is really working. You give that person the avenue to know whether she or he is going to retite what she or he has tied. You are giving that person the privilege to redo whatever that he or she has done to your son or to your daughter or to your husband or to your wife. And they will keep on. Is either you come to me and say, Confidence, I have done this one, I have gone to many places, I have paid so much money, and that is one of the things that I don't like to hear. Because when you are telling me that, it seems that you that is even coming to me for help, you have double mind. Is either I will not reply you or I will shout at you. And you'll be like, Confidence, this is not the way you smile when you are making video. Don't beat me and expect me not to cry. And that is why we are talking about family protection work. If you are doing a work on your son or your daughter, on yourself, or your husband, or your children as well, do a family protection work. If that person is close to you, no amount of trial will penetrate again into your life, into your family's life again. Because you are fully fortified. Your children is fully fortified. There are some family protection that when you do it, even you yourself, you will know that, yes, you've done something. You've done something. So my darlings, excuse me, please try and look for solution to your problem. Not only you yourself, your family as well. Family protection is needed. And for those of you that will be like, Confidence, I have tried all kinds of business and it is not working. Confidence, I have gone many places, many countries, and it is not working. No favor, nothing. I have been a manager of so company. I was any big, all of a sudden, I go back to square one. I have been a carpenter for so many years. The carpenter is paying, It's just that you don't want to be called a carpenter. Just that you don't want to be a welder. You want to be sitting in an office. Remember, everybody are not meant to sit in the office. Everybody are not meant to be rich. That is number one thing we fail to understand. Everybody are not meant to be billionaire. The richest person on earth. In fact, how do I put this in? For you to know that you are rich, is not by the car you drive. It's not by the houses you build. It's by you not skipping a meal, 3 square meal a day. Abaka mombone no wa begonlia konagi nezunonogi. I don't know how to put this adage in English, but I will try. For you not to be depressed, for you not to feel like you are left alone. In fact, I don't know how to put the English, But if you can provide 3 square meal or 4 square meal a day in your family, my dear brother, my dear sister, you are rich. Don't go where they did not call you. You must not be like Dangote or Bill Gates before you know that you are rich. If you don't go a day hungry, you eat when you are hungry, my brother, you are rich. If you pay your bills without borrowing money, you are rich. So you just need to be contented with what you have. You just need to be contented with what you have. The reason why I'm saying this now is because a lot of people will come to my DM and be confident, make me rich instantly. Have you checked your destiny, your akaraka, if you are a rich person? Imana, this akaraka now, there's some destiny that when you check it, they will tell you that you will have money. There's some destiny that when you check it, you know me, I don't hide. It's either you get angry. When you check it, you'll be like, my dear, maintain what you have for now. You will have money, but it will not be as big as you are thinking. But when you tell them the truth, they will get angry. I don't know why. They just want to hear that, you will have plenty money, you have plenty money, you have plenty money. If everybody have plenty money like that, who will now be poor? Destiny are different though. Don't use my own destiny to compare with yours. Akaraka is different. Akaraka is what work for me might sink your boat. What work for me might not work for Choma. Okay? So, in any level you are, praise God. Thank you, Chi. If you look front, you will see thousands of people that is better than you. But if you look back, you will see hundreds of thousands of people that you are better than. So in any situation that you find yourself, and you are not lacking that 3 square meal a day, and you are paying your bills without borrowing money, thank you, Chi. Thank Olisabini Ignigwe. Thank that spirit, that your spirit guide. Be contented and try and do spiritual protection work for your family. It helps. Everybody must not be rich. Everybody must not be Dangote. I know I'll be offending a lot of people in this video, but so be it. Everybody must not be Dangote. Know this and know peace. Know this and stop throwing your money with hunger spiritualist people that are just there to eat your money. Everybody must not be rich. The little one you are seeing, thank you, Chi, for more to come. And thank you if you have watched this video up to this point. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment under the comment section. Comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. But for now, stay safe. Remain blessed. Bye. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.